it's Wilbur. It's Wilbur. Look, it's Mr. Bird. Everybody's coming in this morning. 6:45, people coming in to work. They all have smiles on. Hear that bird?
Yeah.
That's a wild chichichi bird.
Yeah.
Wild chichichi. We're going to check in with Mr. Ever. Mr. Ever, how you doing?
Good, sir.
Good, sir. Let's take a look here on our health of our employees. Mr. Melv, how's your back?
Good. Good.
Good?
Better.
And what about this guy?
Good.
He's good? He's not saying a whole lot. He's being very, very coy this morning. So what do you got to do on that repair? I was looking at that ticket earlier. You had a ticket for a customer, McLean. What did you have to do there?
I have to track the ball box, replace.
Let's see what he's going to tell me about this.
Then I have to make sure everything is running nice.
What do you think, Mel? You think I'm getting the story? Who knows? Mr. Gary Johnson, what you looking at?
Just look at the plumbing on this job.
Plumbing.
If this is the one you say you're supposed to put a meter?
That's going to be a sub-meter, correct?
Yeah, I wonder where he's going to put it.
I have to open up that wall.
Yeah.
Whose job? Who sold that job? Is that you, Roberto? Is this your job right here?
Yes. That's next door to Rosemont.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since I was there with Joel next door, I knocked on her door and I took Joel inside, so he knows exactly what to do.
Oh,
He knows what's going on. How much cutting you think we'll have to do there?
Not a lot.
Watch this answer on this one, huh?
Yeah.
Drop ceiling?
Yeah. So we don't have to cut a lot.
Okay, but you're gonna have to cut probably to get into the valve. It's just the ceiling, right?
So Joel said he was gonna do the meter here and then run a pipe from here to here, so he's not touching the main.
Okay, so he can grab it when it comes up the wall, but it's already in the overhead.
Yeah.
Okay. And then where's he gonna set the meter down?
Here.
Is there enough room in there?
Yeah, this is the ceiling, and down here there's the washing machine, drying machine.
Okay, and Joel's good with that? Okay, so we'll get all the permits pulled in with WSCC and get this cranking. Mr. Ever, what's the words of wisdom today for you, sir? Anything?
No.
Work.
Yes, sir.
Work. How you been feeling? Good?
Feeling
Fall's here, man. It's time to get it. Football weather, soccer weather.
But what's a better light to get to put on this rock bed? Light of the river birches.
I would use two uplights there. You can use those, or you can just use.
I sold him one of those. He said, pick whatever you think is best.
Well, what I was getting ready to say is you can just use an uplight. You can use the BL200. You know, place them either side. You're only gonna put one in.
We're 5.
5 on one tree.
No, 5 trees, 5 lights.
Okay.
So he likes this look, but I don't know which one works better. Not this because it has a great eyes.
GL100s are good. I don't think you need a 350 on that. That's a lot of light.
But out of these two, with this lip around it or without?
I'd use the lip.
Okay.
That way you're not going to waste a lot of the looms going out to nowhere, which is not going to light.
Okay.
So you put those on the back side of that there. Really looks good. Good work, sir. Oh, Donnie snuck in on me, huh? Oh, Donnie snuck in on me. Look at Donnie. You have a compressor on your truck yet?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. So you and Melvin have to get together and do a lot of blowing to get that first one done this morning, huh? And Drew's got a compressor. You got a compressor loaded. You have a compressor loaded. Okay, but you have one winterization, and you have one, and Julio's has one. So we need to figure that out. What's your second one?
Oh, it's the light.
Okay, so you don't need a compressor.
No.
Go on, Mr. Jeff. Let's see your design you got going on here. Where's your design paper? There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's take a look here, Jeffer. You got 2 downlights, 3 downlights.
Yep.
2?
It's
3?
3.
3 downlights?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back over here and talk to Mr. Johnson again.
Yes.
Yes. You got winterization too? Huh?
Is there on that one too? He just told me.
Hose bib off that sub meter?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. Bird, how you doing? Getting everything pulled?
Yep.
Got a couple lighting jobs today. Got a irrigation job going on, bunch of service, winterizations. Come on. Come on. Let's go out here and see who else is coming in today. Let's take a look who else is coming in. Oh, Mr. Julio. Mr. Julio, you got your red shoes on? Look at me. Huh? Yeah, buddy.
I clean it.
You clean them?
Yeah.
Were they dirty?
It's dirty.
Yeah. But you got your work boots in your truck?
Yes.
Me too.
Oh, yeah.
But they're always good, feel good, come in with them, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, here comes another guy. How you, bud? Got a lawn sprinkler install today. Joel can meet you up there on the sub-meter.
Okay.
Okay?
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning to you too, sir. Ho! 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 What's happening, Felix?
Good morning.
Everything good?
Yeah, everything good.
Good to see you, sir. Donnie, what was that look on your face? Huh? You had the weirdest look on your face. You were like... How you guys making out, Miss Nance? Good? Where's that Mr. Jeff at? Have you seen him? Have you seen Jeff? Have you seen Jeff? Have you seen Jeff? Oh, what's up, Jeff? How you guys doing?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Got your downlights already done?
That one is good.
Huh? Yeah. Well, you still got downlights?
Yes.
So you got the two there. Where's your third?
This right there. The front of the truck.
Front of my truck?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. Oh, right here. Nice job hiding the wire. Good job. Bet Miss Nance did that. Take a good woman to do that. All right, Donnie. Easy. Easy, Donnie. How'd you make out in Rockville? Didn't you go to Rockville this morning?
Baltimore.
Baltimore.
Yeah, Baltimore.
Okay,
Yes, this
that's
is
right.
a,
Somebody else was going to Rockville this morning. I forgot who it was.
Oh, I don't know. Yes. So the main water that's broken,
Uh-huh.
and she said that she wanted to price for repair. Yes, and price for a winter station.
Would you say first, though, price for what? Quote for what?
Repair to main water.
Oh, a repair on the sprinkler system,
Yes,
and then winterize it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's a brand new system to us, correct?
Yes.
Who's this coming in here? Who's this?
Greg.
Greg?
Yeah.
Graydon? Graydon. Greg. Greg. Jeff, what else you got left? Got it all done? Or are you working on it? Working on the transformer?
Yeah.
You still got more to do?
No, it's already there.
No. I mean, the transformer complete? The installation? Complete?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were washing up. I thought you had more to do.
No.
Okay. Show me what you got here, Jeff. So you got the transformer mounted here behind the generator?
Yep.
Y'all made good time here today, huh? Here's your roll of tape.
Yeah.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so you haven't finished. That's what I was asking
Yeah.
you. So you haven't finished it. You're just you working on it.
Yep.
Okay. Be a beautiful home for holiday lights too, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Nobody home right here.
Huh?
Nobody home.
Yeah, nobody home.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's been a great home for holiday lights.
Oh yeah.
Holiday
Me
lights.
and Bill came
Holiday
last
lights.
winter.
Holiday lights. Holiday lights. Holiday lights. Yeah. Holiday lights.
I can take right for the next customer. You remember the big.
Well, some of them you get there like this one's cedar,
Yeah.
and then you get the other ones that are real slate. Like we haven't. You see a lot of that DC up in Northwest, and that can be really slippery. You do that on a cold morning in November, Christmas lights.
Oh yeah.
You better be tied off in a harness. You know,
Yeah.
'cause that can be very dangerous. So you got all your path lighting done, got your 3 down lights done, wrapping up your transformer, and this will be complete. Okay. What timing device you put in there? You putting an Astro timer in?
I don't think so.
Straight timer?
Yeah.
You have a timer with you?
You have two.
Two?
A regular timer and digital timer.
Okay. Okay. What do you have on your paperwork? Paperwork. Huh?
What's that?
Paperwork. Paperwork. Guys hate paperwork. Doesn't say on your paperwork what kind of transformer?
Not to say nothing for it.
This is going to be really nice here at night. Why is he going to call Graydon if Graydon's right here right now? We can talk to Graydon right here. Graydon, he wants to talk to you.
He was supposed to call me about Rudy's job too, but he hasn't.
Yeah, I can talk to Roberto this morning.
Okay. Looking good, Mr. Jeff. Yeah, I'm not sure about those other lights. I know they were talking in the office a couple minutes ago before I left to come down here to take a look what you were up to. That Matt was talking to Caitlin about a fixture. I guess that was one in the Brandywine for Rudy.
Yeah.
Okay. But you haven't talked to Roberto about this project?
Yeah, I can talk to this morning already.
You talked to Roberto?
Yeah.
In the morning.
Yeah, in the morning.
Okay. But he didn't cut you loose on the other 3 additional fixtures? That's
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe the homeowner hadn't okayed it yet. Yeah, I'm not sure on that one.
Yeah.
But you got the wire in just in case?
Yeah.
Okay. We can always slide by here one day this week. We're installing a landscape lighting addition. He had, or she had, the homeowner has lighting system and a sprinkler system. We were called in to redo the service here. They had called us in to modify it. So we added, how many path lights you had here today, Jeff? 7?
No, 6.
6 path lights. And then we added 3 additional downlights here on the driveway. And that'll illuminate this at night.
And an FL200.
Yeah, an up light. Is it 1 or 2 on this?
1.
1 up light
Yeah.
on this maple. So that looks good. And then we got path lights going here around, and they're talking about adding 3 more on here. They want to look at this tonight and then give us okay of adding additional. So that answer your question, sir? Huh? That was a good question. Good question. Good question. All righty. Look at Donnie up there. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. Good work, guys. Good work. And we'll see you back at the office. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.